you, please.
Hey Spencer, we're gonna play in Tike's Peak today. You ready?
Yeah.
Wow, look at all the sand and all the chairs to rest. But I think, Spencer, you're interested in know it's over here, right? This place is really cool for kids. They've got like little splash play areas here, small area here with some splashes as well. There goes Spencer. There's a twisty slide there. Over there are some tube slides, and over here are some racing slides. So let's see what we can do. Is this an alligator? Whoa! Oh, waterfall! Whoa! Splash! Practicing your swimming, Spencer? Whoa, so fun. You want to go down the tunnel one?
Yeah.
All right, go down the tunnel. Whoa! So fun. Whoa! So much fun. What do you want to do next, Spencer? Big blue slide. Let's go. Go, Spencer! All right, want to race, Spencer? All right, we'll race. All right, you ready? Okay, on your mark, get set, go! Whoa! So much fun! Whoa! Good job! Yeah! You having fun? Again? You love those slides. All right, which slide do you want to do this time? That one? Okay, I'll do the middle. Ready? Go! Oh, you beat me! Oh! How about a rematch? Ready, Spencer? Let's go! Whoa! Good job! Spencer, we're gonna go down the tube slide? Yeah. Yay, Spencer! Ready? Hey, Spencer.
Just like last time.
There we go.
Good job.
Hold on tight. Good job, Spencer. Spencer, did you have fun today?
Yeah.
What was your favorite thing about the Tike's Peak area? Yeah, the water park. Yeah, the whole thing is your favorite, huh? Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below and let me know what is it you love most about being at a water park. If you like this video, please subscribe to Attractions Magazine. And as always, have fun and be safe.